The nigga did not come to me like, hey, beautiful girl, I have a wife, but I like you. I want to fuck with you. No, he did not do that. No, I did not have a wife. I did not know. So stop saying I knew he had a wife, because I did not know he had a wife. And y'all know, if y'all fuck with a nigga and y'all have a vibe and blah, 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 y'all fuck with him, and then you find out he had a wife, and you have a bond that you don't want to let go, you're going to deal with it. You decide if you want to deal with it or not. So, yeah. All right. So, yeah. But let's finish talk about it. So, yeah, we used to drive his car, be in his car. One time we pulled up on my friend Auntie, and she, you know, my friend Jamaican, so she was like, whose car is that? She recognized the car. And then that's when she found out that was CMR car.
So, who for car did that drive in the video?
CMR.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And I even come down with his wife car, the Range Rover.
Me see one night, so not it everybody a comment and I say, so not the wife car this.
Yeah, some people say that too, but that car wasn't. But other time before, yeah, that was her car. But that car wasn't. That was his car.
So no drive the wife car too.
Yeah.
Woo!
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep.
What an embarrassment.
No type of respect.
Your little hood. Your little nasty hood where you have a pushing at everybody. No come for me. All fat. Talk, girl. Talk. Make the world hear.
Yeah, so after that,
Nasty.
when he made us homeless, let me talk about it. When he made us homeless and he told us to come out of our apartment and he's gonna bring us in. So after that, what else should I talk about? Someone asked a question.
Talk about why make you really did want to expose him? Because of the car when promised to help you buy?
No, because when I see how when I found out about you, that's what really made me want to expose him. When I found out about you, because he lied and made it seem like it was just me. It was just, he all about me, but that was a lie. When I found out about you.
Your question?
Yeah.
Oh, you find me. Oh, you find me on Instagram.
Off your TikTok.
When
I found out about you, I questioned him. Even the messages, I questioned him.
Yeah, the screenshot them out there. The screenshot with the message them.
Yes.
When you ask him if he really coming at me and he really.
Yes, and he was like, babes, the same thing he told Chrissy, same thing he telling me. It's a prank. Same thing. Oh, it was a one fuck. Lying. Yes. So then I was like, okay, so you playing with my face because you literally trying to manipulate me.
And then last week Tuesday, he promised to fly come Orlando.
Yes. He want to fly me down. Still talking to me like everything normal, like he didn't just come out and got caught. He just talking to me like nothing happened. So
Please know when him saying he will murder me. Play it, make the people in ear. For everybody whenever they on the live, play it for them for me, please.
Hold on. Cause she got it on her phone.
Make your friends come. Don't put her on the live, because I don't want to get her involved.
No, I'm not gonna put her on the live. I need her to play the video though. Hold on, she coming back.
So yeah, your friend cock up in a wifey car.
Yeah. We fucked in his wife car.
What? This a story at no sir. I know so me never they go say, but him brother text me yesterday on Instagram how much big pussy girl. Me dey even gonna meds you. When me do me just post a screenshot, cause me not chatting with nobody. You come talk about my mother. You don't come threaten my mother. You're crazy. It look like say you want me turn the internet upside down. I'm already mad in a real life, I see if something for really go so, Uno I go see the real mad girl we in a me. At that the time they wanna go afraid of me.
Mm-mm. Yeah, that nigga is sick.
Oh God.
It's
Oh man.
fuck.
You did put my mother here if you want to take my mother. You're crazy.
Mm-mm.
So I never record the money my chat off in big dirty mouth.
Just talking. But honestly, you can't take that light. You can't take that light because you don't know what he's like. What if he really capable of it, of doing that?
Him the threat me already. That's why I know so him serious. Cause him do it already and him continue to do it. Hold on there.
You get a screenshot with money in your mouth. Me never do that. Stop talking that shit. You will even have sex.
But all people get that. All people get my number for yourself.
Okay, so I see people saying, "Oh, how I didn't know he didn't have a wife, but he's famous." Like I said, I am Haitian. I am not Jamaican, so I am not in the Jamaica media. So I did not know he had a wife until my friend that is Jamaican has to let me know. Okay, I would not have known because I am not in the Jamaican industry. Like I'm not. I don't mix up in that.
Honestly, don't know what one cause the secret. Me never did a part. Me see me find the part where me want in the ear. You want me to help him to cover. Oh no, another one there. If you did that trim like you make one British them show me out and then you even reach back out to me and say nothing. You pretend like me not exist. Like, oh, if you do that, dude, and then pretend I'm the life coming. Nobody wants CMR. CMR is nobody. CMR don't even have the hood for fuck, girl.
Yeah,
Him
someone
the
Uno
clan curl
still wants
like
CMR.
shrimp.
Nobody
Never
don't
look
want
for him and
him.
say me want him to be married, to be
I
my
damn
husband.
sure don't want
Him is
him.
no what? Him is no husband material. And this is a piece of dirty boy that you're crazy.
And I am 20 years old. Remember that. 20 years old. Remember that.
Well, Chrissy go live and tell it. You look like you said that, you know, hotel. You still on your video with the hotel?
It's the can't start from the live there. So,
That's crazy.
The more than calling him, trying to be like that. I make people go like for my name. Yeah. Because you know me a mad girl, you really mess around with me like that. I make people go like for my name.
What do I have to like? Like, come on now.
So, me not understand what.
Shady, why you never like link me before I say, yo, you know what? They are going live when you do this. Why you never
This man is a narcissist, like manipulator, yo.
why you don't believe me? Some never know, man.
When every people, one more thing, I'm never tell you no. You see, when Caan meet me, because in real life, me look like a little pitney in real life. Me have a little pitney body and everything. You know what the man meet me? It look like them never know me right age. The man look at me and say, "How old you be?" Me say I'm 22. He say, me think I did 15." And he said, you know, a serious vibes, like him serious. We feel like some him a predator. The boy that one predator. So she just put me out like that and I'm telling you. And then she take the money when we did forget.
You never know. She send her the screenshot them and give her cash. She got about that. She said the woman talk about she could have run back the whole of the money, but she said to you, man, I'm not going to run back the whole of the money because she stayed there for a couple of days. So I was giving back 2 days. That she said to you, man. And then
but me see I can't find no more if me gonna hear. Hello.
Hello. Everybody's gonna know that already.
But pretty than say you tell her some things about me or whatever. She was on live this morning on TikTok. I'm gonna listen to everything.
Not this morning. Yeah, the video.
Disrespect me, Wally British person say me did want to fuck her. Like, so like,
that's why you always
you are, you know why you talk like this? Because you feel like me record you.
No.
Me want to scream, you know, but them have to give me a reason for scream. Them have to give me a reason for scream. Cause them no want me scream. Any day I get up and scream, the internet mash up me. I tell you, cause I'm sick in my head already in a real life. Cause I don't like people. I'm dark. I'm dark in a real life. I'm not chat to people. I'm not friendly.
Shani, listen.
So then we gotta meet in person.
Alright. Hold on. No, that was a voice recording with Shani.
I see it.
I don't even know, man. Like, shit. What Shani wants? I tell her I'm a murderer.
And I see it, Kishane.
I don't even know, man. Like, shit. What Shani wants? I tell her I'm a murderer.
Yeah. Yes.
No. Play it again, babes. Play it again for me, baby.
Kishane.
I don't even know, man. Like, shit. What Shani wants? I tell her I'm a murderer.
And I see it, Kishane.
No.
I don't even know, man. Like, shit. What Shani wants? I tell her I'm a murderer.
Whoa. So CMR. After you embarrass your wife on the internet and everything, why you did still a message me on TikTok? I just want you ask that. Why you did still a reach out to me on TikTok?
Oh yeah. So yeah, he be so happy, guys.
You know what, after everything,
When he
because
over here,
really, you know, so because I don't like the drama, but that's why I never come out and expose him again. The boy still a text me on TikTok. Still a reach out to me on TikTok. Yes, because he mentioned my mother, me attack everything, me not care no more. Show that again. Show the screenshot again. A screenshot or
that was a screenshot.
Video call.
Let me show that.
The reason why I not have none for sure is because I'm going on my phone and delete everything.
Guys, he be so happy, guys. Like, there's a lot, but I'm gonna show y'all. It's on a broken phone too, but there's a lot. He was never camera shy. Never hide. He never do this. He never do this.
Sure,
He never do this.
I'm gonna ask her for the fifth time. For the fifth time since
yes.
Let
me come with that too. Guys. So the man even posts me with like a you know how you repost a fan? Like you know how
do that too.
Yes, and every time he always begging me to go do a music video for him. He begging me to do a music video for him, blah blah blah. And then he posts me on TikTok. He posts me, but nobody did peep because it looked like I was just a fan. But music over my TikTok.
One question what everybody concerned about the TikTok video when on a kiss. How comes the wife angle upon it? Oh, the TikTok angle go now. Oh, that go.
I use his phone. So I use his phone to make the TikTok. I'm always on his phone. He let me dig through his phone. Like, if I wanted to get information on his phone, I could have.
Yeah, me always in his phone too. Me have access to his phone. Me always in
his phone, and then I went on his TikTok, and I didn't realize that was the wife's TikTok till after. And then, yeah. Girl, let me show the other TikTok. Y'all didn't see the other one when it was like, give me head. Oh, you do that after. Oh, yeah, I do that after. But yeah.
I know why I so eating right now is because I'm the mother thing.
Can I?
He mentioned my mother, bro, and that is why I'm eating right now. Oh, you feel threatening to kill my mother, bro?
Wait, Shani. Let me ask you a question. He eat your pussy?
No, I never eat my pussy.
Mm.
Him eat yours?
Yeah. Mm. Yeah.
Blood.
Blood.
What?
Bitch.
Him eat your pussy? Wait, him eat your pussy?
Yeah.
Wow, me never get that though. Him look like him suck pussy for true. Him look like him suck pussy
It's
for
stuck
true.
pussy boy. But
Wow,
yeah,
so him name me pussy for true.
That's all I have to say.
Cassandra, looking at the camera, CMR name me pussy. Cassandra, come here.
I'm not getting it.
So, him name me pussy, Cassandra. Mixy, you're right. You're correct, Mixy, because he could have never loved me. I never do it to me. Wow,
Girl,
so
come
him
on,
really
you
know-
lying.
Based
Come
on the
on
way
now.
how me see him kiss you, I know say him eat a pussy for true.
Come on now, the way I kiss him, the way he kissed me. Come on now.
Him name me pussy for true. You have no video with him I eat it.
No.
So CMR,
He's not gonna do that.
big
You know
bad
he's not gonna do that.
CMR,
It's Jamaican.
nyam your pussy. And that is the big bad CMR where everybody loves.
Girl.
Wow, I can't believe this.
Yo.
Me and Danger, nobody not act like wife, cause me could have never want to be wife to something like that. You crazy? Wife weird. So what else in the to you, Cassandra?
Oh, let me show you my.
Oh, what then? So, me no vex. Why you want to say me vex? Me no vex. Me for vex. So you say you lose one baby film, right?
Yeah.
And he suck your pussy.
He was so sad. Like, he was so sad, yo. So mad at me. He's so sick, though, for real, because you want a family. You dead ass for a family. You wanted me to have a home
So,
with
I
you.
can ask you one question. He ever sing for you? Like, what kind of song he sing for you?
Girl, I'm done with this fucking music stuff. Yo, the man, the nigga used to sing song. I remember when he sing.
You have the video.
Let me. I have the video.
You vex. Oh, me for vex. She coming no vex. Oh, me for vex. You crazy.
Let me show you the video.
The tongue train left shiny.
So I'm gonna show y'all a video. I'm gonna show y'all a video of him complaining about me never wanting to do a music video with him. So I'm gonna show y'all.
Mitzi boy, I don't even know what to say, girl.
So you say it was easy for you to make a video, sir?
Wait, but we see that video there again.
Yeah,
Back.
y'all see it. Y'all see it. Stop calling me, bitch.
So you say it was easy for you to make a video, sir? Because the moment I pick you up, that's when you keep doing the video.
So the two are not in a car.
No,
Yeah, at the
just
same.
me, just me.
Oh.
I got a bunch of videos to use already. I was just saying.
He's so mad. He said he don't need it.
He's so mad. And then let me tell you something else too.
It's still going. It's still going.
You're not making videos not to pose. I'm just making a video.
Yeah, I gotta go.
He said he don't need it.
That is,
I don't need it.
I don't need it. But but before I leave Orlando, he was begging me. He come with the camera, the whole setup in the hotel, or do the video. I said, "Nah, you don't need it. You don't need it. I'm not doing no video. You don't need it." And I laughed, like, yeah, he said he don't need it, but he begged me still for the video. That's weird as fuck. Why you want me to be in your video so bad?
One
If I don't
thing
want to
though,
be in your video, I want
Cassandra, you
to be in your
look
video.
good and everything though. You're pretty girl. Big up yourself.
The video with
At
he posted, he was mad.
least, I don't know, ugly girl.
And just did it, ain't it?
Yeah.
Tell her.
So let me tell you, he even when I did the video, when he posted, when I did the video, like I was doing regular TikToks, he screen recorded my TikTok. He screen recorded my TikTok and put his music over my TikTok and posted. But y'all didn't peep. But that was a long time. But that was within those 2 years of me talking to him. That's when he did that.
He knew you were irritated. That's the weird thing.
So I know you just know something crazy.
And he even texted me one day like, "Oh, send me your TikTok password. I need your TikTok password. Send me your TikTok." So yeah, I don't know.
We haven't
Obsessed.
I'm gonna show y'all.
But yeah, I have all more evidence in this phone that I'm using. But I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah.
What more you want? Do you have nothing more to talk about?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let me see. Go open. Oh, my phone is dying too. It wasn't charging the whole time. Damn.
Yeah, you better go live.
Your phone not good there? Do you want to charge up your phone?
Yes. My
Alright,
phone
we
might
go
today.
end-
Wait, hold on.
come
Someone
back.
said 2 years. So Uno, I talked from you're 18. Yeah, when I was 18.
And she, he had a wife for a couple of months.
And I didn't know.
Never knew. It was me.
Yes, I didn't know he had a wife for a couple of months, and then my best friend let me know that's Jamaican that he have a wife. I am a Haitian.
That was actually my aunt. She seen it when we pulled up in his car, and she was like, "Yeah, it's giving CMR." Cause we was
Oh yeah, I did tell you that when we pulled up to her aunt, and she was like, "Who car that is?" Her
We've
auntie.
been posting that whole day, and she was like, she seen a snippet of him, and she was like, "That gotta be CMR." And I was like, I don't know. And she's she probably on the live too, cause she had commented too, so she could tell y'all. She didn't know for real.
She didn't.
And then when this bitch knew he had a wife, that bitch went to researching.
Oh yeah, I went on the YouTube, I went on the Instagram, I went on the TikTok. I was just researching. I really didn't know.
How much person?
So those first,
Get your phone then.
You didn't meet him in a party.
they said I didn't meet him in the party.
Yeah, they said that's a lie.
I met him. Oh, since I want to be
He was
Pacific, it
looking-
was next level. We was at, right, bitch. I'm gonna even give y'all the lounge. We was at next level in Lauderdale Lakes. Yes, he be over here on Broward.
He was just watching you.
And he was
looking at you like
I was like, who is this big cocky guy? Like, just standing here, like, bitch. Like, yo, I swear, this CMR scared me when I first meet him. He scared me.
Security guard. The other
And
black
the other black one, his friends, they so scary. Like,
He said that was his security guard.
oh, that was his, he a liar.
That's what he said.
That's his friend.
Oh, and that same night, remember they bust out his friend window.
Yes.
Girl,
Yeah. When we went out another night, and
somebody just came and bust out the window.
someone come and bust out his friend windows. So, and then someone said, "Don't boom your bro Charles drop." Then boom them jaws drop. Yeah, he have a shrimp. Did Uno just say he have a shrimp? Yeah, still my dick is not all that. I hope y'all know that. I think Shani know that too. His dick is not all that.
Like he's saying it is spot dick.
But you say him with liquor. I think
No, I mean, when you say cocky, you mean like he buff. Like, come on now. Not his
dick. I mean, like, not big cocky. Oh my God, I forgot y'all Jamaican.
I mean, watch what you say, girl.
Girl, I gotta watch it. Okay, cocky in American term means like swole, like big man, like. That's what cocky mean. Cocky mean like swole man, like a big man, and not his dick. But he do have a little. So leave him alone and go look up. But I told the nigga last night, guys, when we was at the hotel, I told him and I was like, I'm gonna leave you alone, like I'm done. and I left.
Oh, you want to let's play it one more time and you turn it off.
Yeah, I'm about to get off right now,
Yeah.
though.
Yeah, when you come off, we go talk on the phone. No,
But
wait,
we're
no,
gonna
my phone I
say
go
it one more
charge.
time. We're gonna say it one more time. We're gonna show
Yeah.
one more time, then we're gonna come back on live. But
Alright.
One from last night.
but hold on.
This is when
But
he
yeah,
was
that
to come back.
so I told him, remind you, I told him, I said, I'm done, like, leaving you alone. We leave each other alone. I left, and then he gonna call me back and tell me to come back to the hotel.
So you can see the date first too. Because I love my phone. They see it.
Yeah, so y'all see the date, right? May